Cloud computing is everywhere. But what precisely is it? And how are large enterprises implementing cloud computing? To find out, F5 Networks commissioned a survey of large enterprises in June of 2009. Applied Research performed the survey, which included 250 U.S. companies averaging 75,000 employees. Applied spoke to senior management in the IT department. Interestingly, our study shows there is no one definition for cloud computing. Applied Research tested 6 industry definitions and found the participants were unable to choose any of them as being just right. Second, cloud computing has reached critical mass. An astounding 99% of the organizations say they are at least discussing cloud computing. Most have at least started trials of public cloud computing, with half actually finished implementing. Private cloud computing is also enjoying broad acceptance, with 45% currently using and 83% at least in trials. Many people feel cloud computing is synonymous with software as a service. Our third finding shows that there is more to cloud computing than SaaS. The most important component, according to the survey, is the so-called platform as a service. This was mentioned by 74% as being usually or always required for cloud computing. Infrastructure as a service was second, mentioned by 65%. Software as a service was third, mentioned by 61%. Reflecting the complexity of cloud computing, the study found that enterprises employ a wide range of technologies in their cloud computing platforms. The respondents mentioned 8 technologies, with the top 3 being access control, network security, and virtualization. Finally, the study shows that the people inside the enterprise who influence the cloud computing decision go well beyond IT. The top cloud computing influencers include IT, application development, and line of business stakeholders. So what can large enterprises do to ensure success when building public or private clouds? First, look beyond software as a service. Just as important, perhaps even more so, are platform as a service and infrastructure as a service architectures. Second, build an implementation team that goes beyond IT. Include application development, line of business, and other stakeholders to ensure the most success. And finally, remember that cloud computing touches many different technologies throughout your data center. Spend time understanding how it will affect each part of your infrastructure, such as access control, network security, virtualization, and other core data center components. Our study shows that cloud computing is here to stay. As a leader in aligning business strategy and IT infrastructure, F5 stands ready to help enterprises build successful cloud computing architectures. F5, IT agility your way.